everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. Thank you for being here. First of all, I have a little bit of a story about this recipe in this video that I'm coming at you with today. I have got an epic vegan nachos tray for you to try. I have a little bit of a not guilty pleasure recently. I have no idea where it's come from, but it's evolved over the last 3 or 4 months, and of a night time I find myself watching a lot of competitive eaters, not even vegan competitive eaters, or people that just eat for capacity basically. And I have recently subscribed to Eric the Electric's channel, so shout out to Eric the Electric. I really have been enjoying his videos. Like I can't believe how much food that man can fit in his belly, and I also just really like his personality as well. So I was watching one of these videos the other night and he ate the world's biggest bowl of nachos or something, and as usual I really wanted whatever he was eating at that point, but vegan. I don't know if anyone else who is vegan feels like that. Even if you see someone eating like a massive meaty burger, you just imagine to yourself that is already vegan and just really craving that. And I set myself a challenge to basically make myself a lunchtime brunchy kind of nacho tray that's got protein in it and just a lot of good vegan stuff as well. So that's what I've done. Now I do have to say that the nacho tray actually turned out so good. It is so delicious. You can make it bigger for 2 people, or if you just want to make like one to have on the table if you're having like a little movie night or a party or something, like I would really recommend it. So good. I do have a few modifications if you wanted to make any. I had the normal tortilla chips, but I did also the other day get these, don't know where I'm going to put them, but these chips from Sainsbury's, and I thought I had enough to make the nacho tray, but evidently I ate more than I thought the night before, so I just made it with normal tortilla chips. But if you did want to make it with these chips, then I do recommend it because they do have extra protein in it and they are vegan. So that's my first tip. If you do want to like spice up the protein content, if you're like training heavy or whatever your needs are, then yeah, that's my suggestion. Also, I did put baked beans on top of mine. I do love a baked bean, but if you did want to put some sort of like vegan chili con carne on the top, you could also do that with like kidney beans and some like vegan mince. Like that's another thing I thought about doing. And also if you did want to, I put some bacon bits on the top of mine, which is really good. Obviously not real bacon, but if you did want to like be a bit more kind of like, I don't know, health conscious and a bit more raw with it, then using pure coconut oil to cook everything in rather than kind of a process like sunflower oil or something, then that would be a good shout to go for. Also, if you did want to add some more veggies like peppers or even some sweet corn, you could do that as well, which I think I'm going to do next time, because although I was literally stuffed after I ate the whole tray, and yes I did eat the whole tray, I could have done with like even more volume of veggies, because I absolutely, can you hear the ice cream van outside? Because I absolutely love just loads of veg with whatever I'm eating. So that is a suggestion as well that I have for you. And I have a bit of a story. Basically, we went to Sainsbury's to do the food shop for the video and other bits and bobs. Came outside, our ride was there, and then I realised that I'd forgotten to get gherkins, and so I literally ended up sprinting around Sainsbury's to get some gherkins, which was great. But I actually made the whole round trip in about 2.5 minutes, which was good. But the funny thing is that I actually forgot to even have the gherkins with my nachos, so it was a wasted journey. So if you did want to have gherkins on there, like I actually meant to, then I do recommend that as well. Gherkins for me are one of those things, I don't know what you call them in America, I think you call them pickles, or maybe we call them pickles here, I don't know. Gherkins for me is one of those things where like as you get older, you like suddenly develop a taste for them. I know they're like a craving for pregnant women, but that's not me. And yeah, I literally just, I love them now, and the same thing happened to me with avocado. Anyways, cool story, bro. Just thought I'd put that in there. So I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know if you do, and I'll see you at the end. vegan nachos recipe for you all today. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did try this recipe, then please let me know by commenting below. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I do have a lot of kind of vegan content coming out at the minute, so if you are interested in veganism or just health and fitness food in general, etc., then I'm going to place my intuitively vegan playlist here somewhere on the screen so that you can see what else we have on offer for you. Similarly, if you do have any more suggestions on things that you would like me to try and veganize, then do let me know, because I absolutely love doing that. I kind of pride myself on, I just really enjoy kind of blasting out the stereotype, which is quite outdated, that vegans can't have everything because we can. So yeah, do let me know if there's anything that you've seen or that you want me to try and veganize, because I will relish the challenge. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.